Where is the snake?
There-
United States of America.
Afan, can you tell me how many stars are there?
50.
And these 50 stars represents what?
The 50 states of America.
And next one,
Vatican. Vatican, easy. Vatican. I'll give him a clue. It's in BRICS.
it is in BRICS, yes.
I just joined BRICS like in 2025.
It is flagged with crosses, and cross is for Christianity. Yes, Christianity.
Then why does America does not have cross, but it is Christian? Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. It is only a church that has a border.
Yes.
Ibrahim, do you know it's not even a city, it's only a church? Assalamu alaikum man, good morning viewers. Our Baba is gonna be asking us questions about countries. Today we'll be doing questions about countries. In today's quiz, there will be 10 rounds. The first round my brother will do and the second I will do.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay, Ibrahim, the flag is...
Can you guess this flag?
Canada.
Afan.
It is correct, it is Canada.
Okay, 1 point each. Ibrahim.
Japan.
Afan.
That is correct, it is Japan.
Okay, 2 points each.
China. That is also correct, it is China.
Okay, in round 2 there will be South Asian countries. Afan, you are going to answer these.
South Asian like India, Pakistan,
Yes.
Balochistan.
No.
Bangladesh. Yeah, I get confused with Balochistan and Bangladesh.
Ibrahim, आप बताओ.
Bangladesh.
Yes. Next.
India, right.
Okay. Next one.
Where's the picture? Afghanistan, right. Afghanistan.
Okay. आप दोनों के 6-6 हो गए हैं. ठीक हो गया. राउंड 3 जो है इब्राहिम, इसमें आप बताएंगे. ओके. It is about flags with stars and stripes. The first one is this one.
What easy? USA. Correct, that is USA, also United States of America.
Afan, can you tell me how many stars are there?
50.
And these 50 stars represents what?
The 50 states of America.
Yes, that is right. Okay, Ibrahim. Next one.
Australia. That is correct, that is Australia.
Why there is flag of Britain?
Because it was ruled by Britain.
And the last one is
Easy. Indonesia. Malaysia.
Ibrahim, आपका 1 point कम हो गया है.
But I mixed them up. Indonesia and Malaysia.
कोई बात नहीं. Okay, next one is Afan, flag with crescent.
Crescent. Tajikistan.
Ibrahim, आप बताएं.
Right.
No, it's not Tajikistan. It does start with T, but it is not Tajikistan. It is Tunisia. Okay, दोनों का wrong हो गया. Next one.
It starts with the
A.
Africa.
It starts.
Azerbaijan.
No.
Africa.
नहीं. It.
Algeria.
Yes, it is Algeria.
You get this. Turkey. Right.
Right.
So easy.
आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि टर्की का न्यू नेम क्या है?
What?
Yes.
Turkey.
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 It is Turkey. And what is meant by crescent? चांद तारे का क्या मतलब होता है? These are Islamic countries. इस्लाम का सिंबल है crescent. Okay. Ibrahim, next one is for you. It is flag with crosses, and cross is for Christianity. Yes, Christianity.
Then why does America does not have cross, but it is Christian? Finland.
No, it is another country. It starts with S.
Sweden. Yes.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah, but Ibrahim got it wrong, you know.
Okay, next one.
And Belgium?
No.
It is the Baltics. Only the Baltics. It starts with D. Denmark.
Yes, Afan, you are right. And next one, Ibrahim. This one. It is again.
Finland.
Yes, it is Finland. These are Scandinavian countries.
I thought it was Baltic. No, Baltics are.
Okay, next one. Afan, this is for you. Flags with the animals.
Animal?
Yeah, this is a bit tricky.
Bhutan. Bhutan.
Ibrahim, आप बताओ.
Bhutan.
Okay.
Bhutan.
Next one.
Mexico. Right.
What is there in Bhutan's flag?
A dragon.
Okay. Ibrahim, what is there in Mexico flag?
No, it's an eagle.
It's eagle, and eagle is eagle and snake.
What? Where is the snake?
There
Yes.
And next one,
Sri Lanka.
which animal is there?
Lion and a sword.
Yes. Okay. क्या स्कोर हो गया आप दोनों का?
Me was like 13 plus 13, 16. and Ibrahim 14.
Okay, Ibrahim, this round is for you. Look alike flags. The first one is no, दोबारा देखें. आप पहले भी इसको मिक्स कर रहे थे कंट्री के साथ.
Baba, Indonesia or Morocco? Indonesia or Morocco? No, Indonesia. Morocco has a, like a darker color. This is Indonesia. Right?
This is Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh, ये दोनों सेम है. इब्राहिम, अब बताओ जो आप पिछला कह रहे थे.
That is correct. Poland.
Is that Poland? Yes. What about this country?
Austria.
Ibrahim, आप
Hungary.
बताओ.
Austria, Hungary. Austria or Hungary. Austria, yeah, that's Austria.
No, it is Peru.
Peru has animal. Peru.
Can you tell me difference between Peru and Austria?
Austria has a darker. I think.
ऑस्ट्रिया के जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल हैं, पेरू के वर्टिकल हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज राउंड 8 इज फॉर अफान. यस.
Turkey tricolors.
ट्रिकी ट्राइकलर्स. द फर्स्ट वन.
Ireland. Italy. Ireland.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes. Italy.
ओके, अफान सिंह इट्स इटली. इब्राहिम, यू आर राइट, इट इज आयरलैंड.
Yeah, but Italy and Ireland look the same.
यस, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ट्रिकी ट्राइकलर. Which one is this one?
Italy.
I know what it
Are you
is.
sure?
Yes, 80.
No.
But there is 1 minute. Let me think.
80.
Is there a dot in the middle?
No.
80.
Its name as Coast.
Costa Rica.
No.
Coast.
No. Ivory Coast.
I don't even know that country.
Yes. And next one.
Italy.
Are you sure?
80.
Yes, it is Italy.
What?
Okay, can you tell me about scorecard?
Okay, I have 19 and Ibrahim 17.
Okay, that's great. Now moving to next round, round 9.
Ibrahim.
It is about most colorful flags. The first one, Ibrahim.
I'll give him a clue. It's in BRICS.
It is in BRICS, yes?
I just joined BRICS in 2025.
No, not 2025.
2024.
नहीं बेटा.
South Africa.
South Africa, yes.
Oh.
South Africa. It is South Africa.
Okay, next one. This is most colorful flag.
Okay, first word please.
It is in North America.
Guatemala.
No, it is with Guatemala. It starts with B.
Bahrain.
No, in North America. It's with Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, and with it, there's a small country with B.
Bahrain.
No,
Brunei.
no, Brunei is. It is Bell.
Pen.
It has BEL. Belly.
Belize.
Belize.
Belize. I just.
Yes, it is Belize.
I thought it was a E. S. I thought.
And next one,
Vatican.
Vatican. Complete name of this?
Vatican City.
Vatican City. It is. Do you know fun facts about this, Ibrahim? Vatican City?
Yeah.
What?
It is key.
It is?
Baba.
It is remote key.
Baba. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world.
I said
It is only a church that has a border.
I
Yes.
said that.
Ibrahim, do you know it's not even a city? It's only a church.
I know.
Only a church. No houses, nothing. Only a church.
No. It is small country, and it is located between which country?
The only country that it has border is Italy because it is in Italy and it has no coast.
Yes.
Okay. Ibrahim, can you tell me how many points you have?
18.
And Afan, you?
21.
Okay, now we are going to next round, round 10.
And this round is for you guys. Can you guess it? Which country have non-rectangle flags? Comment down. How many did you get right? Comment, share your score in the comment below.
And please like and subscribe.
Allah Hafiz.